Hey guys, and welcome to my new video. 5 things you should know before packing for Japan. I lived in Japan for 2 years and I want to share some of my knowledge and experience with you. Let's get right into the video. Number 1. Don't bring too many clothes. Most hotels have a laundry with dryer. Normally you can wash your clothes there for around 600 yen, that's about $4. Some even offer it for free. So my recommendation is to bring 3 to 4 t-shirts, socks and underwear and maybe about 2 pairs of pants. Also in Japan, clothes are very cheap in comparison to Western countries and have a great quality, so you can get a new fit there. Number 2. Hygiene products. Most hotels will provide all hygiene products for you, so if you don't mind to use other products as usual, you can leave yours at home. For example, shampoo, body soap, shaver, toothbrush or a comb. Also, you can find very good products in Japan, so if you are willing to try some new products, just buy some there and maybe you find your new favorite shampoo. For the man under us, I'm not a big fan of Japanese deodorant. So if you worry about your body smell, maybe just bring your own one. Number 3. Clothes size. For some orientation, I'm 187 cm and have quite long arms and legs. For me, it's difficult to find long clothes that are fitting in Japan. So, in case you plan to come to Japan with an empty suitcase, you should check that you will find new clothes in Japan. Other than that, I can only recommend Japanese clothes. Last year, I bought at Uniqlo just some basic t-shirts in different colors. They all were around 600 yen, so about $4. The quality is great, so maybe check out some clothes shops in Japan while you're traveling. Everyone who knows Uniqlo knows what I'm talking about. Number 4. Bring your own medicine. In Japan, most medicine you can buy without prescription might be weaker than the one you get in your own country. Don't spare the space in your luggage and better prepare a small medkit in case. Not only in Japan, just in general, you need to check beforehand your medicine is free to bring to Japan or not. For some medicine, you need to bring a certificate or something like that. Number 5. Bring shoes you can walk a lot with. People who visited Japan before know that you will walk a lot. 10,000 or even 20,000 steps a day are pretty normal while traveling to Japan. So you should bring the right shoes that you are comfortable with and don't get foot blisters. If you plan to come to Japan in summer, also check that your shoes have enough air ventilation for the hot summer days. Last but not least, I don't think you need to hear that, but it's not a good idea to climb a mountain with your slippers, so don't forget to prepare the right shoes for your Japan trip. Thank you for watching this video and I hope I could help you to prepare for your next Japan trip. If you have any wishes of topics I should make a video about next, please let me know in the comments. To not miss my next video, don't forget to subscribe. Arigatou gozaimasu and see you in the next one.